Hi, thanks for stopping by. So you might know me from my workouts here on YouTube or on my website, jessicavalantpilates.com. So if you're looking for a workout to do this week, go back to my channel, scroll through the videos and find one that works for you. I will have another workout for you here next week. For now though, I'm going to talk to you about video marketing, and let me tell you why. Because there are many people out there like me. This is where I was about 5 years ago. I had owned my own Pilates studios and physical therapy clinics for many, many years. And I moved. I was managing them from afar. I had a young baby and I was looking at my life and my career thinking, what can I do here now in this new stage of life? And a client reached out to me and said, I forget those exercises you gave me. Can you send them to me again? And she was across the ocean in Hawaii. And I said, well, how can I get them to you? I think I can put them up on YouTube for you to look at. And thus began this whole wonderful new side of my career journey here on YouTube and my online offerings and my membership site called Unlimited. So what I realized was there are a lot of people out there, and you might be one of them if you're watching this right now, who need that information. How do I take these skills that I have and put them online? How does that translate into video? Because let me tell you something, guys. Video marketing is here and it is here to stay. There's no way to avoid it. There's no way to avoid YouTube and Instagram and video things if you want your business to grow. So I am basically self-taught. I have grown my YouTube from 0 to 115,000 subscribers as of today, all organically, all on my own. I have a membership site. I do Instagram, obviously. I sell videos online, and I still do everything I love. I still see clients one-on-one. I still teach workshops. Those are the things I absolutely love and fill my heart and soul. But I'm able to do it and spend time with my family and stay home with my kids because I can do so much online and I can reach so many more people. So I want to tell you how to do that as well, because I've realized that so many people, like I said, have the skills and have knowledge that they want to give others. They want to have an online presence and they just don't know where to start. So because of all that, I have a video marketing 101 online masterclass coming up, and I know that a few of you are going to be perfect for it. So it's March 4th in the morning for 2 hours live. But if you can't join live, it's no big deal. You can watch the replay anytime. But I will be there live, and everyone who's there will come on, and we are going to go through so many amazing things. So we'll talk about YouTube specifically, how to start a channel, how to grow a channel, how to tag your videos so that people find them, and then how to use that content in other ways. So you're repurposing your content onto Facebook, onto Instagram. You're not just taking random clip videos here and there and hoping something sticks when you throw it up. We'll talk about what kind of online products you might be able to offer to your current clientele. We'll talk about how video can be used to retain clients. So not just get new clients, but actually retain the clients you have and improve your revenue. And we'll cover membership sites because a lot of people have a question about that. It's a big thing right now. I highly recommend it. I have one. I love it. So we'll talk about whether a membership might be right for you and how to get started. So this is, like I said, for anybody out there who wants to bring video more into their business, either as a newbie thinking, how do I even start? Or you've been playing around with video for a while, but nothing, like I said, really seems to stick. You're not getting traction. You're not seeing revenue from it. And you want to streamline and make it easier and make more money and reach your desired clients. So that's what we're going to talk about in this 2-hour workshop. You're also going to get some bonus PDFs, including the exact equipment I use to film my video. Let me give you a tip. It does not break the bank at all. So I'll tell you the exact equipment that I use. I will also tell you and give you a PDF on all the software that I recommend. That includes what you need to start a website, what you need to put your videos out there, to host them, the membership site software that I use and like. So we're going to talk about all of those things. March 4th, 2-hour masterclass. You can ask all your questions there. You'll get the PDFs, and we're going to go through all of that information. So you will come away with the tools you need to make video marketing easy and effective. That's the biggest thing. There's so much information out there. You can get it all online, but it's hard to piece it together and bring it together. So I will show you how I did it and some tips to make it easy for you. So the price is $229. I will put the link below. And again, purchase anytime before March 4th. Purchase anytime before March 4th. I hope to see you there so that you can improve your video marketing and make it a little more fun. All right, see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by. Remember, subscribe to my channel and you'll be notified every time a new video comes up. Like and comment on this video and let me know what you thought. You can also always come over to jessicavalantpilates.com to find all the resources I have for living a healthy lifestyle, including full-length workout videos, healthy recipes, and a community I would love for you to be a part of. So I'll see you there.